Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever wondered why the ocean tastes so? Well, asterisk ocean, why asterisk? The answer might surprise you. Imagine standing on a sandy beach, the waves crashing, the salty air filling your lungs. But have you ever really thought about asterisk, why asterisk it's salty? Let's dive into the logic of this watery mystery. Think about it. You add a pinch of salt to your fries, right? Or maybe you've seen trucks spreading salt on icy roads in the winter. Salt is everywhere. But what about the asterisk ocean asterisk? It's not just a pinch, it's a whole lot of salt. So, where does it all come from? Prepare to have your mind blown. The ocean covers most of our amazing planet, and hidden beneath those waves is a story of global geology, a story of rocks, volcanoes, and rivers working together over asterisk billions asterisk of years, like a giant natural experiment. This isn't just about a salty taste, it's about understanding how our planet works. It's about the amazing power of nature. Just like when you see a cool experiment by Manuel Dumont, you can see how the world works. The answer isn't as simple as it seems. Stay curious. This journey will uncover the secrets of the sea, from the mountains to the deep trenches. We'll explore how the Earth's geological features make our oceans unique. We're going to explore the world, one salty, splashy fact at a time. Let's dive into the logic of how the ocean gets its salt. The answer might surprise you. It's a story written by the Earth itself, a story told in rocks, rivers, and even fiery volcanoes. First, imagine the land. Rain falls, right? That rain isn't just water, it's a tiny bit of acid, thanks to carbon dioxide in the air. This slightly acidic rain slowly breaks down rocks, like a gentle but persistent sculptor. Think of it like this. Imagine putting a sugar cube in water. Over time, the sugar dissolves, disappearing into the water. The rain does something similar to rocks, dissolving minerals. These dissolved minerals are then carried by rivers, like the Amazon or the Nile. Rivers are like giant veins carrying these dissolved minerals toward the sea. They carve through the land, shaping continents and carrying the secrets of the earth. As they flow, they bring all those minerals to the ocean. But wait, there's more. Deep beneath the waves, there are underwater volcanoes. These volcanoes release minerals and gases directly into the ocean, like secret vents adding to the salty mix. It's a bit like the earth breathing, adding its own special ingredients. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact. Not all oceans are equally salty. The amount of salt varies depending on where you are. Places with lots of rain, like near the equator, tend to be less salty because the rain dilutes the water. Areas with a lot of evaporation, like the Mediterranean Sea, are saltier. The melting of ice also has an impact. So, the ocean's salt isn't just from one source. It's a mix of ingredients from the land, the sky, and the Earth's fiery heart. Stay curious. Prepare to have your mind blown. Let's talk about Earth's geological superpowers. It's not just about rocks and rivers. It's about the incredible dance of gigantic plates that make up our planet's surface. These plates are always moving, shifting, and colliding like a slow-motion puzzle. Think of it like a giant jigsaw puzzle, but the pieces are constantly moving. Where these plates meet, amazing things happen. Volcanoes erupt, spewing minerals into the ocean. These underwater volcanoes are like secret chimneys, adding to the ocean's salty brew. Plate tectonics also create mid-ocean ridges, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. At these ridges, new ocean crust is constantly forming. As magma rises, it interacts with the seawater, changing its chemical composition. The ocean floor is constantly being renewed, a testament to the Earth's dynamic nature. But the plates don't just affect the salt, they also shape our world in other ways. The movement of continents over millions of years has a huge impact on ocean currents and weather patterns. These currents, in turn, influence how salty different parts of the ocean are. What if we tried to imagine the Earth as a giant, living thing? The plates are like its skin, always moving and changing. These processes are not static. They are always happening. The Earth is alive, constantly evolving, and the ocean is a direct reflection of that. So, the next time you see the ocean, remember that you are witnessing a process that is always changing. Stay curious. The answer might surprise you. Salt isn't just about taste. It plays some amazing roles in the ocean. Let's dive into the logic of its hidden powers. First, let's talk about density. Salt makes water denser. Imagine adding salt to water and then trying to float an object. The saltier the water, the easier it is for things to float. This is the same principle that makes it easier to float in the ocean than in a freshwater lake. Salinity also drives ocean currents. Differences in salt concentration, along with temperature, create these massive global currents. These currents are like rivers within the ocean, transporting water around the world. It's like a giant circulatory system for the planet. But salt's impact goes even further. It's essential for marine ecosystems. Different creatures are adapted to different salt levels. Salt helps maintain the balance of life, from tiny plankton to giant whales. It's a delicate balance. The ocean absorbs and distributes heat. Salinity plays a key role in this process, which affects global weather patterns. It influences everything from hurricanes to rainfall. It's all interconnected. Now, a serious thought. Climate change is altering ocean salinity. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels are changing the balance, and this has real consequences for marine life and our climate. It's time to think critically, just like Bill Nye would encourage us to do. So, the next time you see the ocean, remember the hidden roles that salt plays. It's a reminder of how interconnected everything is on our planet. Stay curious. What if we tried building our own mini ocean? It's time for a fun experiment to really understand salinity. Get ready, because this is going to be awesome. First, you'll need a few things: a clear jar, some water, salt, a bit of food coloring, and a small object that floats like a toy boat. It's like creating your own tiny world. Now, let's build our mini ocean. Fill your jar with water. Add a few drops of food coloring. This is just for fun. Now, slowly add salt. A little at a time, stir it well. As you add salt, you'll notice something interesting. The water becomes denser. Now, gently place your toy boat in the jar. Watch what happens. Does it float? Now, add a little more salt and stir. Does the boat float higher? The more salt, the denser the water becomes, making it easier for things to float. This is just like how the ocean works. Remember to be safe. Always have an adult around to help, and use non-toxic materials. This is about responsible experimentation, like the kind you see with Manuel du Mundo. I want to encourage you to try this experiment at home. Share your results. What happens if you use different types of salt? What if you add small rocks to the bottom to create a sea floor? Stay curious. Let's dive into the logic of what we learned. The ocean is salty because of rocks, rivers, and volcanoes. Plate tectonics shape the ocean's chemistry, and salinity plays many crucial roles. The answer might surprise you, but the story goes beyond the beach. These geological processes make Earth's oceans unique. No other planet in our solar system has oceans quite like ours. Think about how important the ocean is. It supports life, regulates our climate, and provides food and resources. It's a source of inspiration, a place of wonder, a place of life. Now, a thought. What if we tried to understand the impact of human activities on ocean salinity? What can we do to protect our oceans? These are critical questions, and the answers are in your hands. The ocean is a precious gift. It is a place of wonder and beauty. It is a place that needs our care. Let's protect it, explore it, and learn from it. Stay curious. Remember, the oceans are a vital part of our world. They are a part of us. So, the ocean is salty, but the answer is more than just a simple fact. It's a story of rocks, rivers, volcanoes, and the incredible power of plate tectonics. It's a story of our planet, a story of life itself. We've discovered how this salty mix is made and how it impacts everything from ocean currents to the climate. We've built our own mini ocean and seen the magic of density in action. This is how we understand the world. But why does it matter? Because understanding the ocean helps us understand our planet. It helps us understand our impact on it, and it inspires us to protect it. Now, I have a question for you. What can *U* do to help protect our oceans? Can you research local marine life? Can you participate in ocean conservation efforts? Every little bit helps. The ocean is a source of wonder, a place of beauty, and a vital part of our planet's future. Let's embrace the spirit of inquiry. Let's stay curious. So go explore, go discover, go make a difference. The future of our oceans and our planet depends on it.